Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we want to show you this very useful mixer for your online classes, for your everything live streaming, for your anything. Of course, you can using your guitars, your musical instrument, you plug into the channel 1, channel 2, and then your first microphone, and then you just plug and play to a computer and you are ready to go. And how was the mixer sound? And then later on we'll do the unboxings and show you what is the inside, and then we'll show you the closer view and how to set up. That's all, and then we are ready to go, and hope you enjoy this video later. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Like my video.
Okay, this is the professional 4-channel mixing console, and it's with a USB, and then it's quite portable, and then with a recording function and 16 DSP with a Bluetooth. You can connect your cell phone, and then you got the 2 XLR, and then basically it's quite a nice mixer, and we trying to unbox now. Okay, so inside the box you have the USB, micro USB charger, and then just mixer you can power by USB. You can connect to your computers, you can connect to your power bank to make it stand alone. And one more is a USB to USB. The free 2 types of the cables, and then this is mixer, and of course you have a user manual, and this mixer is very nice mixer, and with a XLR, 2 XLR input, and then with each you have a single phantom power, and then you have the gains, and then high and low and effects channel, and this is the main volume and main output and microphone. This is not microphone, it's a phone, headphone, and then this is the headphone input, and then you've got 2 XLR output and 2 mono output, and then with a channel 3 and channel 4, of course you can RCA for recordings and for RCA in for this channel 3 and 4. Okay, we have a try on this mixer. Let's go.
Okay, after unboxing, and then we just show you this one is my microphone, and I'm using the Phantom Power 48 to my condenser microphone and with XLR input, and here is a mic channel 2, and then because I'm using acoustic guitars, and then I'm not on the Phantom Power because only Phantom Power is using for the condenser microphone. And then here is my monitor, my headphone monitor. So I plug in as a monitor my main mix, okay? And then this is the connect to the computers, and then USB to USB. You just connect the computer and just plug and play. Whatever you're using, online, Zoom, meeting, Google, whatever, podcast, everything, you just plug and play and ready to go. They automatic install the driver for your computers, and you don't need to do anything. Okay, and then I'm just try the gain if I'm off the gain, so you can't hear anything, right? So this is the main volume. So volume, you can try to maximum your volume or up to you. You just try and see. After that, you just put the gain up and gain down. Okay, just mix to your desired voice, and you monitor it, and you feel okay, and then you're ready to go. And you can, of course, you can add your high, and your low, testing 1, 2, so you got more deeper sound and more high gain. Okay, this is high. So you can just set up whatever you want, and then just check it out. If you everything is okay for you, then you are ready to go. And Okay, so and this is the effects, and then when this is, we've got 16 effects. So 16 effects, you have different effects. Now we got the effects number 3. How about we try the effect number 1? This is 5. Effects number 1 is a slightly a little bit like reverb. 2, 3, 4. Testing 1. Testing 1. Testing 1. Testing 1. Testing 1. Testing 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is very simple, and then you just choose your desired effects that you want. So then I just put this effects tree because of you easier to listen the reverb. Okay, and then channel 2 for the guitar, that's the same. You can adjust your volume and then your gain, and then normally for instrument you everything control on your guitar's equalizer. So lady, you wondering, you will be there to take my place when I'm gone. You need love to light the shadows on your face. Alright, so then you can, of course, you want to doing the live streaming, live singing section, also very useful for this mixer. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any comment or any question want to ask, and please welcome to comment down below, and we share each other. Alright, so and thanks to watching my video, and see you guys. Bye.